Plow trucks were up and at 'em dark and early Friday morning as the first snowstorm of the new year arrived in New Hampshire. By mid-morning, several inches of snow had fallen on the seacoast, a snap back to reality for Meredith King and Luke Cutter. They just came home from Florida.
Don't want to be here. I know, this is something fun to come back to for sure. Snow's pretty powdery, so it's not super heavy. I'm not too cold.
It's nice to be home, but that's just kind of one of the things about living in New Hampshire, you know, got to deal with both sides of the weather.
Surfers taking the storm in stride and taking advantage of the bigger waves. This time around, flooding wasn't a concern as the storm's arrival timed perfectly with the tide as it made its way out. Further inland in Salem, the plow trucks were busy clearing the highways, roadways, and parking lots.
They were well plowed.
William Casey and his four-legged friend Francine used their snow day to shop at Tuscan Village.
Well, my sister's trying on some snow pants, like ski pants.
It's a good day for that.
It is.
How was the ride up?
Fine. Perfect ride. Snowplow drivers are doing good for day one.
William Schneider drove up from Tewksbury, Mass. to stop in at the Tuscan Market. You're getting some goodies for the snow day. What'd you buy?
We got some olive bread and some cappuccinos.
Nice, perfect.
So, yeah.
There you go.
Little cheese, we'll be all set.
There you go. He's having a good snow day today. But again, the roads are back to normal. You can see the blacktop, but there still might be some slick spots out there. So something just to keep in mind if you are traveling this evening. Reporting live in Salem, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.